Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, while addressing a rally in Rajasthan's Jaipur on Sunday, said that India is a country of Hindus and not Hindutva-vadis. Blaming the Hindutva-vadis for inflation, he added that Hindutva-vadis have been in power since 2014 and there is a need to oust them. He also claimed that Mahatma Gandhi was Hindu while Nathuram Godse was Hindutva-vadi. CBSE has withdrawn a controversial passage in the English language and literature paper of the class 10th exam held on December 11th. The passage, which said that emancipation of the wife destroyed the parent's authority over the children, which was criticized by many and labeled as misogynist. Full marks will be awarded for the passage to all the students concerned, said. India successfully test-fired a long-range supersonic smart-assisted release of torpedo or SMART off Balasore coast in Odisha today. The system has been designed to enhance anti-submarine warfare capability far beyond the conventional range of the torpedo, said Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. The system is being developed to be used by the Indian Navy, officials said. Omicron cases in India rose to 38 on Sunday after Andhra Pradesh, Chandigarh and Kerala reported their first infections, and Maharashtra and Karnataka also recorded one case each. Omicron has now been detected in Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Gujarat, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and the Union Territories of Delhi and Chandigarh. One person in the United Kingdom has died with the Omicron COVID-19 variant, UK's Prime Minister Boris Johnson confirmed today. Sadly, yes, Omicron is producing hospitalizations and sadly, at least one patient has been confirmed to have died with Omicron, the UK Prime Minister said. He added that people need to recognize the sheer pace at which Omicron is spreading. Dubai has become the world's first government to turn 100% paperless. Crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum has announced. He added the strategy has helped save more than 1.3 billion dirham or $350 million and over 14 million man-hours across the Dubai government. Hollywood actor Keanu Reeves has revealed that on being asked to return for the fourth Matrix film, The Matrix Resurrections, he said, "That sounds amazing, but I'm dead." His character Neo had died while battling Agent Smith in The Matrix Revolutions. Keanu further said that the director has written a beautiful story that will explain how his character is still alive.